Hello everyone. Today we will see how to express these numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers and q should not be 0. Okay, so simply we have to write these numbers in the form of p by q means rational number. Okay, so first I will tell you a detailed method for this and then fastest method. Okay, so let us see one by one. So very first number is 0.3 bar. We know that bar 3 means 3 is repeating in this way. So let us denote this by x. So x is nothing but 0.3 bar, which is 0.333 and so on. Now multiply this by 10. So we will get 10x equals to 3.333 and so on. Now this can be written as 3 plus 0.333 and so on. But now we can see this is nothing but our x. So instead of this 0.3333 and so on, we will write x. Now shift this x towards left hand side. So here it will become 10x minus x equals to 3. So 10x minus x is 9x equals to 3. It means x is nothing but 3 by 9. Now simplify this. This is nothing but 1 by 3. And this is our answer for 0.3 bar, which can be written as 1 by 3. Okay. Now come to next number. Next number is 5.2 bar. So again denote this by x. Let x be 5.2 and this can be written as 5.2 is repeating here. 2 is under bar, it means 2 is repeating. Now give it as number 1. Okay. Now multiply this by 10. In previous I didn't write this, but I think if I write here, then you will understand it beautifully. Okay. Multiply 1 by 10. So what will happen? 10x equals to 52.222 and so on, and give it as 2. Now subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. What will happen? 10x minus x on this side. On that side 52.222 and so on minus 5.222 and so on. So simply 52 minus 5 is 47.0. Okay. On this side it is 9x. So simply x is nothing but 47 by 9 and this is our answer. Okay. Now next number is third is 0.40 bar. Now again denote this by x. X be 0.40 bar, which can be written as 40, 40, 40. Now here there are 2 digits under bar. Okay. So 40 is repeating, not 4 or not only 0. Okay. 40 total is repeating. So it is 0.40404040 in this way. Okay. So again give it as number 1. Now after decimal point there are 2 digits under bar. Okay. So we will multiply it by 100. 1 we can write. Multiply 1 by 100. So what will happen here? On left hand side 100x equals to, now if you multiply here we will get 40.404040 and so on. Give it as number 2. Now subtract again 1 from 2. 1 from 2. Okay. So what will happen? 100x minus x equals to 40. You can avoid this step. Okay. If you can do directly. 0.4040 and so on. So on this side it is 99x and here it is 40 simply. So our ultimate x is 40 divided by 99. Now our next number is 0.4th one is 0.47 bar. So again we will denote this by x. Let x be 0.47 bar and which can be written as 0.47777 and so on. Again now here after decimal there is one digit not under bar. So we will multiply first it by 10. Multiply by 10. So what will happen? 10x equals to 4.777 and so on. Give it as number 1. Okay. Now again multiply x. We can write here x. Okay. Multiply x by 100 now. So what will happen? 100x equals to 47.777 and so on. Now again equation 1 and equation 2. Again subtract 1 from 2. Okay. So what will happen? 100x minus 10x equals to 47. I previously also told you, you can do this directly if you can. Okay. So what will happen here? 90x equals to 43.0. So x is nothing but 43.90. So this is your P by Q form of 0.47 bar. Okay. To next one. What is our next number? Fifth number is 0.134. 34. Here under bar 2 digits are there. Okay. So again as usual we will denote this by x. So let x be 0.13 bar. Now here this can be written as 0.134 in this way. Okay. Now multiply this by 10 first. Why? You know. Multiply. We have discussed already. X by 10. Okay. So what will happen? 10x equals to 1.34 and so on. Again multiply. Now there are 3 digits after decimal. So we will multiply by 1000. Okay. Multiply by 1000. Okay. 2x of course. So what will happen? 1000x equals to 134.34 and so on. Now this is number 1. This is 2. Again subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. Okay. So what will happen? Now can I do direct? Okay. So 1000 minus 10 is 990x equals to 134 minus 1 is 133. 0.34 minus 0.34 it means 0. Okay. Therefore here it is x is 133 by 990. Okay. Understood? Now let us come to our last number. What is that? 0.001 bar. Again denote this by x. Let x be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. In this way. Give it as 1. Now after decimal there are 3 digits. So multiply by 1000. Multiply x by 1000. Okay, so what will happen? 1000x equals to 1.001001 and so on. Give it as 2. Subtract. If we do this repeatedly, again and again, then you will get easily the method and you can do it very fastly also. Okay? In detail examination, in descriptive type examination, you have to do this. Okay? And for MCQs, for fastest method, I will tell you that also here. Okay? So what will happen here? Subtract 1 from 2. Okay? So what will happen? 1000 minus x is 999x and this is nothing but 1.0. So simply x is 1 by 999 over. Okay? This can also be solved by similar method which we have used in other examples, such as if we number this x as 1 and this 10x as 2, and if you subtract this 1 from 2, just like we have done already, like that, we will get directly this one, 9x equals to 3, and then means you can avoid these steps. Okay, here also we can use another method. Instead of writing x equals to 5.2 bar, we can write 5.2 bar equals to 5 plus 2 bar means 2, 2, 2 and so on. And if we denote this as x, okay, it means if we take separately x equals to, here it is 0.2, 0.222 and so on. And if we apply same method which we have applied for 0.3 bar, then we will get x equals to 2 by 9. And if we put this here, 2 by 9, so what will happen? 5.2 bar equals to 5 plus 2 by 9. And if we solve this, we will get 47 by 9. Okay. So different methods are there. Necessity is to apply it in right way and find the answer. Answer should be equal. Method can be different. Okay. Now let us come to shortcut method. Okay. So very first is 0.3 bar, or you can say 0.3. Okay. So after decimal, only one digit is there which is under bar. So in denominator we will have 9. And without decimal we will write 3 here. So this is the P by Q form. This can be simplified. Therefore we will write 1 by 3. Okay. Simple one. Second is 5.2. So after decimal, again only one digit is there which is under bar. So we will have 9 in denominator, and in numerator write down whole 52 and subtract this number which is not under bar from this 52. Okay. So here it is 47 by 9. Done. Okay. Next, 0.40 bar. Now after decimal there are two digits which are under bar. So in denominator we will have 29. And in numerator simply write down 40 without decimal. And this is the P by Q form of 0.40 bar. Next. Now here after decimal there is one digit which is under bar and one digit which is not under bar. Okay. So we will have 9 in denominator for this bar 7 and 0 for this 4 which is not under bar but after decimal. Okay. Understood? And in numerator write down 47 minus this 4 which is not under bar. That is 43 by 90. Now here there are 3 digits after decimal. So we will have 3 digits here also in denominator. 2 9 for 3 and 4 which are under bar, and 1 0 for this one which is not under bar but after decimal. And in numerator 134 whole minus this 1. So simply 133 by 990. And this is simple one. In denominator there are 3 9. Why? Because after decimal there are 3 digits, but all 3 digits are under bar. So 1 9 for one digit which is under bar. Okay? And in numerator write down the number as it is. But this is simple. 1 by 999. Okay? So in comment box, can you tell me from which book I have taken these examples? If you can, then please comment it. Thank you.